They usually can tell you whether or not they will, but that still doesn't mean whether or not insurance will actually pay.
Exactly.
Fine.
You find out like.
How much did it end up being for your whole visit?
I think like 1,200. Yeah, I looked up all the drugs that they gave me. I was like, oh, they gave me hard shit. Come on.
Yes, dude. Come on.
Nice.
Come on.
That's it. Come on.
Nice. Come on.
Stay tight.
Come on.
Yes, dude. Come on. Come on.
If you bump that left hand, it gets better.
Yes, dude. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. It's over, man. Higher. You know where the good crimp is.
Come on.
Come on. Just get it.
Come on. Nice and easy.
Nice.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yes.
And you were good.
Woo!
Was that your first 9?
Yes.